Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the important tips and tricks related on Osmo Pocket 3. Which setting is the best for slow motion and which types of footage we are receiving after using this setting. Let's check it out. First of all, I will show you the slow motion setting, which setting I personally use. I just simply tap here. And this is the slow motion. I just simply tap, and slow motion point of view here, scroll up, and here the different types of setting is available here. Look at this here, 4K 120 frame per second as a slow motion speed is available, like a 4x. Here the different setting also available, 4x 100 frame per second, but I personally recommend here that I always use 4K and 120 frame per second. We can record some of the footage. After that, you should decide this device is really worth it to purchase or not. If you really like these tips and tricks and you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.